Okay, hi guys. I'm back to this channel.
Oh my god, I didn't know you.
Okay, like, you know, I only had vlogs from traveling and stuff. But today I said I want to do my makeup. So here I am. And let's start the video. I'm gonna do my skincare. I use this, as you can see, but this is a Codaline lotion. Purifying toner. It's not purifying toner. Okay. I just put the liquid and I just tap on my face and I look quite as well. Now I'm gonna use this serum from Bioderma. I have a lot of skincare products, like, yeah, but I don't use any of them. Shit. This is a gel cream from Eyebrow. Okay. This is from the same brand. Okay. So yeah, I'm just massaging my face. I use white eye cream because my mom told if you use eye cream since you're like younger, you get less wrinkles in your eyes. You guys wondering why my English is so good? I should probably use a mirror. God damn. Last skincare product is this Eucerin because my lips are dry as fuck from talking so many shit. I'm just gonna stop roasting myself. Okay, skincare is done. I'm gonna use this Tarte Concealer. See, this is the only product I have that is actually decent. I just put a little bit on under eyes. I know there is a trend on TikTok where people now like to show their under eyes, but I don't know. It's cool, I get to tap it on. See, you can't see myself. You're seeing the camera and this really dirty mirror. God damn. Oh my god, I'm so white. So now I'm gonna contour my face. I've had this Fenty Beauty contour thing for like 3 years and it's still here. It's still here. I contour my nose in a really different way. Okay, I do this. Okay, and then I do this because if you contour your nose here in this area, your nose gonna look bigger. Yeah, prettier. And then I use a brush and I just tap here and I just contour my face, like my cheeks. I'm just gonna now blend this bitch. I'm looking at the wrong camera all the time. I'm sorry. I'm still not really used to cameras. I'm introvert. Now I'm gonna use this bronzer from this thing, and I'm gonna use a little brush, and I'm just now gonna be a full ass catfish and contour my nose to look as cute as possible. Yeah, just put a little, looks cute. I'm gonna use this Can't Stop Won't Stop by NYX setting powder. Oh my god, just focus. I don't really have anything left, but yeah, I'm just gonna buy sooner and another setting powder, and I'm just gonna bake my nose really like here. Looking at the wrong camera, I don't care. I need to bake my nose. I need to bake this bitch. Now I'm gonna just do my eyebrows. So okay, Oh my god, my huge forehead. Yeah, I have one. I'm gonna use this NYX eyebrow gel. My camera is not gonna focus. It's gonna focus on my face. Let me see all my... Okay, and now I'm gonna just do my eyebrows. And I'm actually gonna try... They look so bad. I can't do my makeup here. Just doing for the video, but I can't really do it. Hi, I'm back. So, as you can see, my eyebrows are really big. They are inspired by Underscapper latest photo shoot she did, and they look really big. I know. I haven't done my makeup in a long time. I'm done with the baking my nose. I'm just gonna take this off. Where's my mirror? Okay, it's there. Okay, they look okay. So I use this Huda Beauty Coral Obsessions, and I put like this color and this one. Really a product anyways. And I'm just gonna prettier just a little bit. I'm gonna do the same thing for my other eye. And now I'm gonna use this Sephora. This is like a Christmas winterish eyeshadow I got from on Christmas like 2 years ago or something. And I'm gonna use this black eyeshadow. I can't do these without with the camera. I'm just gonna... Oh no, it's on my eye. I'm doing all my makeup wrong today. I just decided today she's going to be funny. I know this looks messy, but trust the process. Okay, now I use two eyeliners. I use this Kat Von D eyeliner. I know she's problematic, but I love her eyeliner anyways. And I work fantastically with. And just this eyeliner that is thick, filled in. So I'm just... Oh god, this is so dirty. God damn, man. Right, like, I just do a line here. Can you guys see like the line? Okay, did I just hit a big line? Oh, this one is cool. This one is cool. So I'm just gonna fill in like the makeup. And I'm just gonna blend this eyeliner. Can you see like I'm blending? And now I do like the fox thing, like a prettier. I just fixed my eyeliner though. And now I'm gonna put like just here under my eye like a glitter. See, like a glitterish, like a white glitter, like a neutral glitter. So now I'm gonna do my mascara. I'm gonna do my mascara, so I'm gonna curl my lashes. I'm gonna use this Tarte mini mascara that they offered me on Sephora. I was so happy. I like Tarte. I mean, it's a new brand in my country, but on the videos of other YouTubers, it looks good, and it's actually very good. So I'm gonna use my blush, and I use this palette. Okay. I use this I was like the pink one, really pink, and this one. It's just... Oh, bruh. What happened when I... Oh, shit. Wow. My camera is so cool. We're gonna do my eyeliner. So I use this milk one. This is holographic. And I just put a little bit here on my eyebrows. And on my nose. And then I use this Tony Moly eyeliner stick, and this is a really old eyeliner that highlighter that I have. I have it like for like 3-4 years maybe. Are you guys seeing my dog? Oh shit. For the final thing, I use this cuddly spray. I love the smell. Okay. Right. Just gonna... I want to have a mullet, like a shaggier. So now what I do is like I want to make my roots more voluminous. So I just do this. And I do this kind of thing, and like ear. Oh shit, I look really emo.
So why do good girls?
So this is the earrings I choose for today. This really edgy one that says hug. You guys can't see it, right? Okay. And then this guitar, electric guitar. I have electric guitar earring. And then this like normal one. This one is from Brandy Melville, I think. Okay, I look cool. My bangs are yellow. I hate this. Okay, guys. You guys want to see my dog? Here, this is Bucky. He's really big. He's still a baby though. Yeah, it's like 8 months or 9 months. Right, Bucky? So guys, I'm going out for a walk, and see you later. Maybe I will do another video. Maybe if I edit even this one. If I don't get lazy. Bye guys. Rawr.